In this video, I will demonstrate how to download and install Google Chrome on your Mac. This includes iMacs, MacBooks, MacBook Airs, and any device running macOS. To begin installing Google Chrome on your Mac, the first step is to open Safari, which is the default browser on your Mac. You can do this by scrolling down and locating the Safari icon in the lower right corner, or you can simultaneously press Command and the spacebar on your keyboard. This action will open the Spotlight search. Type Safari in the Spotlight search and select the top option that appears. Next, in the search bar at the top, type Google Chrome to perform a Google search. You can select the first option, which is the Google Chrome browser. This will take you to the official Google Chrome website. All you need to do here is click on Download Chrome. If Safari asks for permission to allow downloads from google.com, select Allow. The Google Chrome installation file will then be saved in the Downloads folder. Click on Downloads and then choose Google Chrome DMMG. After completing this step, Google Chrome will open. To install Google Chrome, simply drag the Google Chrome icon into your Applications folder. It may take a few seconds for the copying process to complete. Now that Google Chrome is installed, you can close Safari. To reopen Safari, press Command and the spacebar simultaneously to open Spotlight Search again. To open Google Chrome, press Command and the spacebar again to open Spotlight Search and type Chrome. Google Chrome will appear in the search results. Open it, and you'll see the Google Chrome icon in the bottom right corner. Upon opening Google Chrome, you'll receive a warning that Google Chrome is an application that needs to be downloaded from the internet. Select Open to proceed with the download from Google. Once Google Chrome opens, you'll have two options. You can choose to set it as your default browser by leaving that option checked, and you can also opt to share some information with Google to keep the application updated. Make your selections and then click Start Google Chrome to begin using Google Chrome on your Mac. That's how you download and install Google Chrome on a Mac. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below, and I will respond as soon as possible. If you'd like to see more tutorial videos for Mac or similar content, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.